Drawing for Kids video for kids. Hi guys, follow along step by step in this cute dog for kids drawing and coloring. Even though this is a drawing for kids video for kids, adults and teens will have fun as I show you step by step how to draw and color a cute dog. Here I have the colors which I will be needing. I have a brown color and a dark pink and some black markers. I have the wide or the big marker, then I have a small pointed marker which we will need sometimes, and even a smaller point black marker. So I will now draw the outline of our dog. This is a step-by-step cute dog drawing. We will start with the top of the dog's head and we will do an ear. Just follow along. We're shaping the ear of the dog. Kind of doing the inside of the dog's ear. Then the next ear. Remember guys, yours doesn't have to be perfect, okay? It's all about having fun with your drawing. Step-by-step drawing for kids. How to draw a cute dog. We're following step-by-step drawing. If you follow along, you will draw a cute little dog. Just follow along step by step. That is a cute looking dog. That's the dancing dog. Now we will color our dog, and I will be using a brown color for our dog. You can choose whichever color you want to. You can put some black spot on your dog, but I will use some brown spot, but inside of the ear I'll do this inside of the ear, and then I will be using some brown color for my dog. Let's do a cool gray on the inside. That's it, guys. Step by step how to draw a cool looking dog. He looks like a dancer. If I should name him a nickname, I would call him Dancer. That's like the Elvis Presley version of cool dog. Okay guys, remember, please subscribe for more easy step-by-step for kids drawing and coloring.